Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a free website in Webnode. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Webnode, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, if you want, you can just go to webnode.com to go to the website right here. And if you want to create an account, you just need to click this one, create a website on the top right corner. And you will need to create your website. You need to enter the name of your website. And for the register, you just need to input your email address and password. Or you can continue with Facebook or Google. So I'm going to input the name of my website, for example, and I'm going to continue with Google. So as you can see, it will ask you what are you going to create, what content, whether you're making a website, online store, or blog. So since we're making a free website, we need to choose this one. So after clicking this one, how do you want to create your website? Whether you select a template or with AI. So it depends on you what is your option, but I'm going to go with the select a template, since Webnode will offer you a bunch of beautiful templates that you can customize and use for your website. So now you need to choose your templates right here, and as you can see, it will be listed as categories. So it depends on you what type of business, for example, what type of uh, website you are creating and what is the content of the website. So that will help you to choose the categories of the templates right here. So let's say you're creating a website about sport and health. So going to click this one, and this options, these templates will appear, and it will shows you a bunch of templates that is correlated with sports and health. So for example, let's choose this one right here. After choosing that, you need to input more information about you. You need to input your phone number. You need to input your phone number, address, city, zip code, and your country. And after inputting all of that, so as you can see, just need to click start, and this option and this text will appear. You just need to wait until your website is ready. So as you can see, after putting all of that, you'll be redirected to the Webnode website builder. And as you can see, it also show you a window where they will show you how to edit your how to use the Webnode website builder, and that is the best part. They already been giving you a tutorial inside the builder itself. So there will be step 1 out of 4. You can just hover all of this or read this so that you can be uh, you know it will be much easier for you to manage your website. So I'm going to skip this one and start editing again. So yeah, this is the website builder. You can customize your website right here. You can click text to edit words. So you can see, you can click any blocks right here. So this is what we call blocks. This is the type of content that is being inserted inside a section. So this is a section right here, another section right here, and there's a bunch of blocks and elements that you can modify. So you can double click it and change the text. For example, I'm going to remove this one. You can change the text style. You can italize it, you can make it bold, and for the you can make the type of the text, whether it's a heading text, subtitle text, normal text, or block code. It's up to you. And also change its color. If you click this drop down menu right here, we change it to red, for example. Yeah, that's it. We can change the alignment, etc., etc. So yeah, this is actually a free template. So as I said, so yeah, this is actually a free template. So other templates will be paid. So other templates, before you can use it, you need to pay them. You need to pay it. So yeah, make sure to choose the right template, and make sure that you don't just publish this as it is. So you need to change the whole you need to change the whole template to make it unique. You need to change the font size, the font text, the color of the text, the alignment, the image, the background image inside the section. You need to change everything. For example, you need to change. For example, we need to change this background right here. If you want to change it, there's a icon right here on the top right corner, and there will be a section background right here. You can choose to make it a color type background, or plain color type of background. It's much better. And yeah, the color type background is the safest background that you can use. But if you have one, you can just click this one and upload your file right here on your on your devices, or you can choose among this image that Webnode provides. But I think this is actually free from copyright issues, so you can use them. But still, to make it safe, use your own image. And yeah, you can add blocks inside the sections. You can add, for example, like text, image, buttons, galleries, contact forms, etc., etc. And if you want to do that, you just need to hover on the section until you see this plus button icon right here. And after that, this drop down menu will appear, and you can add a bunch of elements. You can add an image, photo gallery, video, map, spacing, product list, contact forms, block form, HTML files, or online booking itself. You can insert right here. So it really depends on what kind of website you are creating. You can add them right here. So no coding needed. That is the best part. And you can add pages. If you want to add new pages, click pages right here on the top side. This is the tab, page tab, and right here, as you can see, it will list you the default page on the templates that you have chosen. And if you want to add more, click this one right here on the top right, plus add page, and you can this window will appear. You need to choose the page template, whether it's a blank page, product page, blog page, photo gallery page, about us page, contact page, price list page. Or if you want, you can use the AI assistant to guide you on the page that you want to create. So for example, we want to add an online booking page. We need to choose this one. You need to provide the page name and create. And after that, as you can see, the page is now being created. So it is a random. So as you can see, the online booking, you already have a templates of online booking. You just need to manage it. Just need to modify it, make some major changes, and it's up to you. So that is the most common page to add, just like home, about, contact page, service, or portfolio page. As I said, if you want to change the design settings of any page, you can click this setting or gear icon on the top right corner, and right there you can change the background, you can change the font, the header layout, the text layout, etc., like that. So now under, if you want to publish, so yeah, if you want to, so yeah, that's it. It's much. So yeah, that's how you can use the website builder. And if you want to publish it, you just need to click this icon right here, or button on the top right again, to publish it. So as you can see, website is being published. So now premium feature on your website are needed to publish your you know website. So after publishing your website, as you can see, you will be prompt to use the default web node domain. This is actually the free web node domain that you can use. So your website will use a subdomain like this one. So as you know, this all of these features right here is only on Webnode free plan. So on Webnode free plan, you can already have free hosting, free SSL, secure site. You have a free mobile responsive design. You can have a free subdomain, as I said earlier. But yeah, it is a very limited. There's features that you can't use, especially when editing your website, that you cannot use, and that's the that is where, and if you want to use that, that is where you need to purchase a premium account, and you can actually use a custom domain. But yeah, that's it. That's how you can create a free website in Webnode. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.